Okay, the two examples we have looked at so far, the first one divided perfectly. In the second one, we had to move things around a little bit, and that's because we always want it in the order of decreasing powers of x. Now, the third example is one where there are certain powers of x missing. Now, in order for our process to work properly, we have to rewrite these equations as 6x to the 4, 3x cubed plus 0x squared plus 3x minus 5. Think of it as a place value system where you have to put the 0 for things to work out fine, divided by 3x squared minus 2x. Consider this plus 0. Okay, now we go to our method that we have done so far. X cubed plus 0x squared plus 3x minus 5. And you have a 3x squared minus 2x. Now you're going to compare the highest power term in both, right? So how many times does 3x squared go into 6x4? You go 3x to the 4 divide by 6x to the 4, divide by 3x squared, which is 3x squared. That's 2x squared. So I have a 2x squared, end up with 6x to the 4. Now negative 2x times 2x squared is negative 4x cubed. When I subtract, the first term cancels out. This becomes a positive. 5 plus 4 is 9x cubed. Now, over here, we don't have an x squared term, so I'm just going to bring down the x term. Again, look at how many times 3x squared goes into 9x cubed. That's 9x cubed over 3x squared, which is 3x. So I get a plus 3x, 9x cubed. Now the reason I left the space for x squared is because now when you multiply the negative 2x with the 6x, you get a negative 6x squared. So that when you subtract, you have space to write this term, which is 6x squared minus 3x. Now, there's another level here. In this case, we are finding out how many times 3x squared goes into 6x squared, and that's just 2. So I get a plus 2, which gives me 6x squared minus 4x. When I subtract, this gets cancelled, and I have x minus 5, and we're going to stop here. Why? Well, because 3x squared does not divide x. Yeah, because the highest power of x minus 5 is less than the highest power of 3x squared minus 2x. Now this process is similar to how in numbers we stopped, for example, when we had 7 and we were dividing by 13, and 7 is smaller than 13. In polynomials, we stop whenever the highest power of the remainder is less than the highest power of the numerator. Of the divisor. This means that the expression 6x4 plus 5x cubed plus 3x minus 5 can be written as 3x squared minus 2x times our quotient, which we found out to be 2x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus the remainder. Again, you can verify by multiplying them and combining the terms. The next video, we're going to cover another method of division called synthetic division.